All right, what's up? This is Lab 3-1, and we are working today doing data reduction using the fuzzy matching. And this is the fuzzy lookup add-in that I was already added in on the UARC. And the fuzzy matching is going to allow us to manipulate and design like data. So task one, we're just going to browse through this data set to make sure nothing is missing. And it looks good. Yep, nothing seems to crap. Okay, sorry about that. But yeah, nothing appears to be missing. I have a Mac, so my mouse is really sensitive. It'll like, if I scroll down at a weird angle, it'll like kind of do like the back function. But anyway, nothing seems to be missing, so we're good. Excuse that. Step two, um, we're gonna go over to the employees. Now, once we're there, we're gonna select the entire table. So since I'm on a Mac, that's gonna be Control A. And then we are gonna format it as a table. I like blue, so I'm gonna do this. Okay. Zoom out a little bit. Yep. There we go. Okay, next step is we're gonna rename this table employees. And there you go. Whenever you click on it, it's gonna show the table name employees. Then we're gonna do the same exact thing that we did over there on employees with the vendors. We're gonna make this a table. I like the blue last time, so I kind of like green as well. So mix it up a little bit. And then once we're in here, change the table name to vendors. I think the step after this said that we were supposed to take a screenshot, but we're already recording this, so we should be straight. Next, we are going to save this as fuzzy-tables. Right here. Fuzzy. There we go, fuzzy-tables. Okay, now for data reduction, we're gonna come over here to the vendors list, and we only care about the ones from 2019. Now same thing, Command A again to get the headers, copy it, then come over here and paste it. There we go. Wait a second, let me clean it up. Okay, now since it's cleaned up a little bit, we're gonna rename this to vendors 2019. Convert this back into a table. Command A. Since I'm gonna mix it up. Let's do orange this time. Oh, that didn't turn out how I wanted to, but it's all good. And we are going to save this as fuzzy tables 2019 save. We also need to make sure we name the table the same thing we named the tab, vendors 2019. And now we are ready to do the fuzzy match. Okay, what we are going to do now with the fuzzy lookup is select fuzzy lookup, and we are going to compare the vendors. Here, I'm just going to make this bigger. The vendors 2019. Oops, I didn't change this yet, did I? to the employees. There we go. I'm gonna hit the join. Oh, sorry. We want to make sure that the billing address matches the street address over here. Now, we did join, and we're gonna click the right output columns. And fast forward, the ones that are checked off are the vendor name, vendor contact, billing address, zip, first name, last name, street address, and zip. Also the lookup similarity. Okay, so once you're in the new tab, you're basically just gonna press go from the fuzzy stuff. Make this bigger. And now, once it is bigger, you're going to see that there are 3 close matches right here. And to make them stand out a little bit more, let's just highlight it. Now, those come from one table, and these come from another separate table. So we're going to highlight them different colors so we can make the distinction. And now it's interesting to see because you have the Zed Fuentes guy who's a close match right here. And it's really close, same zip, same address. I wonder what could be going on here. The vendors are slightly different, but something seems to be sketchy about Zed. And then at the same time over here with Leslie, she was a close match as well. And you can investigate there. We're also supposed to make this into a table like we did previously. So let's just Command A, format as table. Let's do orange this time that we tried to do last time. There we go. And then we're gonna save this as a fuzzy match. And then once it's saved as fuzzy match, we're gonna filter out the 0 similarities. Here we go. But yeah, in conclusion, what we did to do fuzzy match was we learned that we can use it to look at like whenever an Excel file has lots of records to find similarities, and as an auditor, that can help you find possible fraud scenarios. And yep, that sums up Lab 3-1. Thank y'all for checking in, and I'll see y'all soon. All right, bye.